Good morning, friends. Being sent to share the gospel of peace, we read John 20 and verse 21. So Jesus said to them again, "Peace be to you. As the Father has sent me, I also sent you." Please pray with me. Father, just as you sent Jesus, He now sends me. I receive that calling with humility and purpose. Help me to live aware that my life carries your presence into every space I enter. Give me courage to represent you well in my words, actions, and attitude. Let me not shrink back into comfort, but step forward in obedience. Open my eyes to opportunities to reflect your love and truth. Use my life to bring light where there is darkness. I surrender myself to your mission today. Lead me, guide me, and use me for your glory. Amen.